In this video, I'm going to show you how to send crypto from Ledger Live to Coinbase. Now, if you need any Ledger devices, you can use the link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment to get your official Ledger for the best prices as well as some bonus Bitcoin. And you'll also support my channel that way, so thank you if you decide to do it. Now, over here inside your Coinbase account, go ahead and click on Receive Crypto at the bottom right. And then once you do that, select the crypto you'd like to receive. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go for Bitcoin, click on Bitcoin, and then click on, of course, supported networks. I'm gonna go via the Bitcoin network as well. And then over here, I'm going to just click on I understand. And then here you'll receive your address. So what you should do from here is basically just copy this address, and then I'm going to go ahead and go to Ledger Live over here, where you have to basically click on the send button at the left over here, select Bitcoin again. So there we go, Bitcoin. And then you have to paste in your recipient address, click on continue, select how much of the Bitcoin you'd like to send. So I'm just gonna send max, which as you can see over here, when this is going to load up, I do have like, there we go, 8 euros of Bitcoin. And then here you have to select basically more about fees. You can either have standard fees or advanced fees in case you are basically well versed in that. And then you can select if you want it to be slow, medium, or fast, and then click on continue. If everything looks good over here, click continue again. And then here you're going to have to connect and unlock your device. And whenever you do this, you'll have to confirm your transaction on your device. And after you confirm it, you've successfully sent crypto from your Ledger device to Coinbase. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.